Are you ready to unlock one of DeFi's most underrated secrets? Aerodrome Finance is taking the crypto world by storm, and if you're not paying attention, you're already behind. In today's video, I am diving deep into Aerodrome's ecosystem, how it's reshaping decentralized finance, and why it could be the game changer you have been looking for. Stick around because we are breaking down everything you need to know to stay ahead of the curve. So what is Aerodrome Finance? As its core, Aerodrome is a liquidity hub on the base chain. Yes, Ethereum's cutting-edge Layer 2 solution. It's designed to bring efficiency, scalability, and accessibility to the DeFi space. Think Aerodrome as the engine that powers liquidity for decentralized applications on base chain. It's community-driven and designed with token holders in mind. As today, Aerodrome has more than $1.5 billion in total value locked, more than $30 billion in monthly trading volume, more than $35 million in monthly fees, and almost 400,000 monthly users. But here's why Aerodrome is truly special. It's built on top of Velodrome model, combining the best practice in liquidity incentives and yield optimization. You have heard of Velodrome, right? It's a top player on optimism, and well, Aerodrome is here to replicate and refine that success for Base. Later on, if you would like to dive deeper into Velodrome platform, Velodrome Finance, you can watch my video Velodrome Finance 3x your DeFi profits. Is a fast guide as this one as you are watching right now. In this video, I dive deep into Velodrome and you will see how to squeeze the better and most juice of the Velodrome Finance to earn more yields and more profits. Let's talk about mechanics. Aerodrome uses a unique AMM, that is Automated Market Maker, framework that optimizes liquidity pools for stable and volatile asset pairs. This isn't your average swap platform. Liquidity providers get rewarded with AERO tokens, the native currency of the ecosystem. And here's where it gets interesting. Those tokens can be staked or locked to earn even more rewards. So how Aerodrome generates value? Liquidity pools generate trading fees. And also when you stake your AERO tokens, for staking yields governance and profit sharing rewards, the platform will give you an NFT, referred to as VNFT, and you can increase the lock amount or extend the lock time at any point after. The longer you lock your AERO tokens, more voting power you will earn. Every week you will have to vote and choose where you want to allocate your voting power in exchange of platform rewards, these incentives and fees from the pool. Because Vote is CRO tokens, the V-AERO tokens incentivize long-term holding. That's the beauty of Velodrome and Aerodrome on Base. Remember that Velodrome is in the OP chain. Optimism is a layer 2 in Ethereum as well. If you don't have much time to be in your computer and you would like to automate these liquidity pools voting, you can also click here on the Log tab and you will be able to choose a relay strategy where clicking on the deposit log, you will see the explanation, and here you will see the APY as well that you are getting. So going through this option, for example, you will have in an average 54 APY on yields. As you saw it before, some liquidity pools for voting has more than 54 or 50% APY that I showed you before. Here you can see liquidity pools voting giving you 61, 71%. So in my opinion, not financial advice, any of this that I'm explaining you is a financial advice. This is just my knowledge to you and a platform that I use every day. In my opinion, if you have time, study the best pool to vote every week and try to choose the ones that has the tokens that you would like to hold for the long term. So the most important thing that you have to learn, and that is the most unique feature that Aerodrome and Velodrome has is that by locking your AERO tokens into vAERO, you gain governance power and can direct liquidity incentives to specific pools. This gives you the control over where liquidity flows and how much fees, APY, you are gonna earn for the current epoch. Each epoch lasts 1 week. So if you're going to vote manually, you will have to be here up to every Wednesday at 8 p.m. UTC time. So why should you care about Aerodrome? Let's talk about numbers. Early adopters are seeing insane APYs on specific pools, and with the base chain's rapid growth, demand for liquidity is only going up. Whether you are a yield farmer, a long-term investor, or just DeFi curious, Aerodrome has something for everyone. So let's take this pool as an example of a high APY reward. This Ethereum USDC concentrated volatile pool is when you choose a specific price range to your liquidity be concentrated and earn fees when the price is going to be around that price range. So you're gonna kind of lend your money for others use to trade, and you earn fees in this liquidity that you are providing in that specific price range. Another option is the Ethereum USDC pool, but as a basic volatile option. In this case, you are not going to choose a price range. You are going to choose an infinite price range, or doesn't matter the price. In this case, the pool is going to be automated always in 50-50% in Ethereum and dollar. The gains are less, of course, but you have less risk and peace of mind as well. So the cherry on top, Aerodrome's user-friendly interface makes it incredibly easy to get started. Whether you are bridging assets to base or managing liquidity positions, the platform is designed to cater to both beginners and pros users. So talking about the future of Aerodrome, the base chain is projected to grow exponentially in 2025, 2026, and beyond. And platforms like Aerodrome are positioned to lead this revolution. Partnerships, integrations, and ecosystem growth, these are all the pipeline. Aerodrome isn't just a protocol, it's a movement. And if you're watching this, congratulations because you are early. Base chain on Ethereum is early. So let's keep going. As you can see on the chart here, I have a main target of $8 for Aerodrome in this bull market. Main people say that this is bearish. Yes, could be bearish. However, I am positioned on Aerodrome since the beginning because this was an airdrop in my wallet for using Velodrome's platform other time. So before Aerodrome, I used a lot Velodrome on Optimism. That made me eligible for Aerodrome airdrop, and this Aerodrome airdrop is locked. So I am earning fees from the platform as I showed you before on the locking and voting process. And these rewards I'm using to build liquidity pools on Uniswap that is generating me more fees and more Ethereum and more Aerodrome because I'm pairing with Ethereum. I have a video here that I can link as well that is how to build liquidity pools and use Uniswap v3. Watch that video because in that video I am teaching you how to build liquidity pools with your holdings, with your crypto holdings, and earn kind of a passive income that is fees because you're providing your money for others to trade. And that video, I teach you how to do it in a safe way and how to take profits as well. So a $8 target for me is very plausible, and probably I will have some of my bags here too, and my locked AERO tokens too. But in this time, I pretend to have also a USDT bag that is a dollar bag. And if I can see that Aerodrome is going to correct in price, I could re-enter this trade and take more Aerodrome for my bags. But to make things clear, Aerodrome is going to be always a long-term bag for me because of that airdrop that I locked in the platform, and I will be earning fees as a revenue share for a long time. And I believe Aerodrome today is the best proxy for base chain, as base chain doesn't have any token. So Aerodrome for me is kind of the official token for base chain. And this price target, I use the Fibonacci level, taking the last top to the last bottom. And the 3618 and the 4236 levels are very strong in trades. Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can see that in the weekly charts, they always stopped around this area on the last few bull markets. So it's a very powerful level. So if you have trading view and you would like to add these levels on your trades, you just click here, use fib retracement option, and do it like that. You take the first here from the last top to the last bottom, and you will give you the next levels that you can use to maximize your gains. I suggest you also follow the Aerodrome X profile to see their last innovations and to be on top on every new thing they are launching, because here you can see they are always give you insights about the platforms and showing the evolution of users, deposits, etc. If you are serious about leveling up your DeFi game and you would like to support my channel, I have got something special for you. I have created an exclusive ebook that breaks down the best DeFi strategies, including hidden gems like Aerodrome Finance, Velodrome Finance. You can see here that you will unlock very important things to navigate this crypto space. The link for my ebook is pinned in the first comment below, so don't miss it. It's your shortcut to mastering decentralized finance. So my big suggestion is that you deep dive into Aerodrome Finance. And if you found value in this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss an update. Let me know in the comments, are you diving into Aerodrome or sticking to other platforms? I will be replying every comment. So until tomorrow, stay bullish and keep exploring the endless possibilities of DeFi. In this channel, you are gonna find insights every day. Goodbye, see you tomorrow.